Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly chart of Paysign Inc. Paysign. There are a couple of reasons for looking at this particular stock. First one, the stock has already corrected by more than 90% from the higher end to the lower end of the range. From the recent high that it has made in the year 2019. So it's been quite a big fall that the stock has shown, and not only that, it is now trading or taking support above one of its most important, which was your resistance level, now working as a support level. So let's start analyzing the long-term chart or the big chart of Paysign Inc. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now, if you are looking at this particular chart, you can see two specific levels, right? You can see two specific levels that we are going to look at, and they are $1 and they are $1.5, right? So as you can see, from 2006 till 2018, it was under the radar and has been trading below this range. And now after 2018, when the breakout happened, the stock made a move of more than 1000% in 434 days, and everything has reversed. So basically, whatever has happened in this section, everything has reversed, and the stock looks quite lighter when you are comparing this move. So it seems like we are standing at 2018. It does not seem like we are standing at 2019 or the highest end of the range. So we have lot more comfort right now. So there are two things to understand right now. The stock must not go below 1.5, which is your immediate support, and $1, that's going to be your stop loss. Now I want to use line chart for the big trend, or for analyzing the big trend or for further analysis, because right now in candlestick chart the chart looks distorted. So if I may use the line chart, you can see at least I know the close price and I can draw a trend out of it. So if I draw a line like this, okay, everything will be covered. If I draw a line like this and considering this as my support line, because that's where the big support lies, and here we are, we will draw out the trend. Right, so this is what we have here as far as the support is concerned, and on the upside you have something like this. Now you can clearly see a trend out of it, okay, and there is, and I'm not talking anything which is beyond the expectation or something. I'm just drawing lines, okay, and the trend is what is giving me an indication. Now let's go back to the candlestick chart. If I may, I want to draw a short term or the intermediate term resistance line, because here we are, this may act as a resistance, and that's why it's important to draw these lines as well. Okay, so here we are. Now you can see a trend. Yes, you can. So what you can do right now, we are trading at the lowest end of the range, which is 1.74. I've already told you about the big support and stop loss, which is 1.5 and $1, and your immediate support of 1.74. Now on the upside, you have your first big range, which is in between $22 and $61, right? Because we are covering the next couple of years, that's why the range is big. And if the stock crosses this line, this middle line, then the big range in the upcoming years is going to be indeed a very big one, and that range will be or in between $60 and $220. we are basically doing, like, I'll give you an example, like from 2016 till 2019 the stock moved 12,000%. I'm not talking about the move, because what people will do, they will simply do this 12,000%. Okay, if this makes a move of 12,000%, then yes, we are talking about $198 or $200. Whether it will happen or not, I don't know, but I'm saying that it has taken nearly, for that it has taken nearly three and a half years. So 1029 days, and if I just look at 1029 days, so it will come somewhere near here. Okay, 2025 or 1029 over here. Okay, 2024 to 2025. So we are looking for, or we are looking at the next 2 or 3 years, and not the next 2 or 3 days. But if this swings works, we are looking for a huge move, and you are literally sitting at the support level, so that you can ride the entire gain. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for